Ever wondered what makes blockchain so revolutionary and why it's causing such a buzz in the tech world? Well, to answer that, we first need to understand what blockchain is. At its most basic level, blockchain is a type of database. Now you might be thinking, a database, that doesn't sound very exciting. But what sets blockchain apart is not what it is, but how it works. You see, a database is simply a collection of information stored electronically. But unlike most databases that store data in tables, the blockchain does it differently. It stores data in structures called blocks, and these blocks are linked or chained together in a chronological order, hence the name blockchain. Each block contains a number of transactions, and once a block is filled with transactions, a new block is created and linked to the previous one, forming a chain of blocks. Now, what makes it so unique and revolutionary? It's the transparency and security features of blockchain. Every transaction made is transparent and can be viewed by anyone within that blockchain network. This transparency helps to reduce fraud and build trust among users. Moreover, once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted, thanks to a clever use of cryptography. This ensures the security of the data in the blockchain, making it virtually tamper-proof. These unique features of transparency and security have made blockchain popular in various industries. It's not just for tech enthusiasts anymore. It's being used in finance, healthcare, supply chain management, and many more fields, bringing efficiency and security to systems that were once prone to errors and fraud. So, in a nutshell, blockchain is a unique type of database that is transparent, secure, and highly efficient. It's a game changer, a revolution in the world of technology. And we're just beginning to scratch the surface of its potential. What sets blockchain apart from other data storing systems is its decentralized nature. But what exactly does that mean? Well, in the simplest terms, decentralization means that the information isn't stored in one central location. Instead, it's spread out across many computers or nodes all over the world. Each of these nodes has a complete copy of the entire blockchain. So instead of a single central database, blockchain is like a vast global web of interconnected databases. In traditional data systems, if the central database is compromised, the entire system can be at risk. But with blockchain, there's no single point of failure. If one node is compromised, the others continue to function, maintaining the integrity and security of the entire system. Moreover, since every node has a complete copy of the blockchain, any attempt to alter the data in one place would need to be replicated across all the other nodes. This makes tampering with the data incredibly difficult, if not impossible. It's like trying to change all the pages of a book in every library across the world at the same time. Another key aspect of decentralization is that it prevents any single entity from having control over the entire network. No one person, organization, or government can monopolize or manipulate the blockchain. Each transaction is verified by a consensus of nodes, making the system transparent and democratic. This is why blockchain is often referred to as a trustless system. It doesn't mean it's untrustworthy, quite the opposite. It means that you don't need to trust a third party like a bank or a government to verify transactions. The system itself ensures the integrity and authenticity of each transaction. Decentralization also makes the system more resilient and robust. It can withstand shocks and disturbances that might cripple a centralized system. It's like a forest of trees. If one tree falls, the forest continues to thrive. So when we talk about the power of decentralization in blockchain, we're talking about a system that is secure, transparent, democratic, and resilient. Decentralization, therefore, makes blockchain a democratic system, immune to single-point failures and control. When we speak about blockchain, we can't ignore its most famous application, cryptocurrencies. But how are they connected? At its core, a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is just a set of transactions, each one recorded on a blockchain. Picture this. You're sending a friend some Bitcoin. That transaction gets bundled with others into a block of data. This block is then added to a chain of other blocks, hence the term blockchain. Each block is linked to the one before and after it, creating a complete and unbroken record of every transaction. But how does this block get added to the chain? This is where the power of the network comes in. Participants in the network, often called miners, compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. The first to solve it gets to add the new block to the chain. This process is known as proof of work, and it's one way that blockchain ensures security and transparency. Once a block is added to the chain, it's there for good. It can't be altered or deleted without the consensus of the network. This is what makes blockchain a public ledger. Every transaction is visible to anyone who wants to see it. And because it's decentralized, no single entity has control over the entire network. This is the key to understanding why cryptocurrencies are so revolutionary. They offer a way to transfer value, like money, but without the need for a trusted third party, like a bank. So if you're ever wondering why your Bitcoin is worth anything, remember this. It's not just a digital token, it's a testament to the power of a network, working together to secure and verify each transaction. And this isn't just about money. The principles of blockchain can be applied to any kind of transaction, from contracts to intellectual property rights. The potential applications are endless. Cryptocurrencies are, therefore, a testament to the power and potential of blockchain technology. Scene script. Blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies, it holds the potential to revolutionize various industries. But how? Well, let's start by exploring the field of supply chain management. Imagine a world where you can track a product from its inception to your doorstep. Every step of the way, transparent and secure. That's what blockchain can do. It can provide an immutable ledger that records every transaction, every step, every movement. This not only increases transparency but also reduces fraud and errors. Now let's talk about healthcare. Patient data is sensitive and confidential, and the need for secure, efficient data management is paramount. Blockchain can store patient records securely and allow only authorized personnel to access them. It can also facilitate the sharing of research data among scientists, speeding up medical advancements. In finance, blockchain can revolutionize how we transact money. It can eliminate the need for intermediaries in financial transactions, making them faster, cheaper, and more efficient. It can also bring financial services to those who are unbanked, providing them with the means to participate in the economy, but it doesn't stop there. Imagine a voting system where every vote is securely recorded, transparent, and cannot be tampered with. That's the power of blockchain for you. It can ensure that every vote counts and counts correctly, improving the integrity of our democratic processes. And these are just a few examples. The applications of blockchain are vast and varied. From real estate to energy, from education to the arts, the potential for blockchain to bring about radical change is immense. So, the next time you hear the word blockchain, don't just think of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Think of the countless ways this technology can transform our world, making it more transparent, secure, and efficient. Clearly, the potential applications of blockchain technology extend far beyond cryptocurrencies. As we delve deeper into the digital age, what could be the future implications of blockchain technology? Well, let's take a moment to picture this. Imagine a future where your digital identity is secured by the immutable nature of blockchain. No more worrying about identity theft or data breaches because your personal information is secured and verifiable on a decentralized network. This isn't a far-off dream. It's a future that blockchain could make possible. Furthermore, blockchain could enhance privacy like never before. In a world where our personal data is often exploited for profit, blockchain could offer a fresh start. With its potential to create a more private internet, blockchain could give control back to the users, your data, your rules. It's a game changer in the fight for digital privacy, but it doesn't stop at privacy. Imagine an internet powered by blockchain, a decentralized internet, free from the control of tech giants, a place where the users are the network, sharing resources and maintaining the system together. Blockchain could democratize the internet, giving power back to the people. Yet, as we dream of this bright future, we must also confront the challenges that lie ahead. Scalability is a significant hurdle. As the demand for blockchain technology grows, can it scale to meet the needs of millions, if not billions, of users? It's a question that experts are grappling with. Then there are regulatory issues. Governments around the world are wrestling with how to regulate blockchain technology. It's a delicate balance between fostering innovation and protecting consumers. How these challenges are navigated will play a crucial role in shaping the future of blockchain. Despite the hurdles, the future of blockchain seems bright, promising to reshape our digital world in ways we can only begin to imagine. So buckle up and brace yourself for a thrilling journey into the future of our digital world. It's going to be a wild ride.